What's up, you guys? It's been a while since I've uploaded. I've been lagging on the videos, but I am going to try to post more consistent. Today's going to be more of an update video along with an installation video of some new headlights that a company sent out to me. Auxbeam, they have sponsored me with these lights, and I'm going to have the link to these lights, the discount code, so you guys can go ahead and use that. A lot of you guys asked me what is one of the first things that I would do to a truck. And by far one of the first things that I would do is LED lights. In the front, I feel like it cleans up the front end and it definitely looks better in the night. And not only that, it gives you better visual in the night. I know yellow lights are not the best. Stick around to the end. I'm going to talk about the lights. I'm going to show you guys the lights. I'm going to show you guys the night light. And this is definitely going to be a really good upgrade for those of you guys who have windshield tint, because windshield tint is probably ass. I've been in trucks and cars that have it, and you cannot see nothing at night when you have your stock lights. So you guys are definitely going to want to upgrade to these. Oh, I'm going to wash the truck. It's been way too long and my hood has gotten disgusting. I'm pretty sure that's not good for the hood. I don't know. There's a lot of butterflies in the air right now. So literally I've been smacking all the butterflies and this thing is just really dirty. Alright, so let's jump into the video. I'm going to wash the truck real quick. Alright, so I didn't record too much. You guys see me wash my truck plenty of times in other videos, but here it is. It's all cleaned up. Not amazing, but definitely better than what it was. It's the first time it's been clean in a while. For those of you guys who care, there's my what was a puppy trying to fight with my other dog. His ears are still up. His ears do kind of stand up, but they don't fully stand up yet. It's only been about like a month and a half. So that's an update for you guys on my dog. And also I am planning on going to raw food with him. I read a lot of benefits, and the benefits are way better than what kibble. So I am gonna do that. I guess you give me any input, I guess, in a way, as to like what you would suggest, or if any of you guys have your dogs on raw food. Let me know in the comment section below. I am gonna try to reply to everybody in the comment section. Lately I haven't been able to because of school. I've been super busy. I've had midterms and stuff like that I've had to study for. So if I haven't replied to your comment, that's why. Another quick little update. If you guys remember, this was all tack welded. I took it and they smoothed it out. Did a really good job. Not too much body filler or any of that. And it actually looks way better. Can't really tell anything happened. I might just have to go over it with glazing putty, but that's easy. That's something I can do. I cannot have knocked down the tack welds myself, so that alone is a lot of help. Alright, so as you guys know, in the last video I showed you guys these decals that I was planning on dropping, but honestly I don't really like how they look. I am going to use this for something else that I haven't mentioned, but I'm not going to use it as a sticker. One, because the font's really weird and spaced out. Like the L is really weird. So I can't make these that big. And I kind of like the thicker lettering personally. So I went and redid them. And these are going to be the official stickers that I'm going to be dropping. I don't know when I'm going to be dropping them, but I am planning on doing it really soon, like within the next month or so. I'm just trying to make the website and all, and trying to figure out how to get the orders up, because honestly I've never done orders or anything like that, so it's going to be new to me. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, so I am going to do that pretty soon. I have my Instagram to throw on. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. It's going to be in the description down below. Yeah, let's throw on the sticker and see how it looks, and vote. Do you guys like these stickers? Would you guys cop one if I did drop them? I'm going to throw it up in the corner. I don't know if it's this corner or this corner, but I'm going to throw it on the pole. But let's throw on this sticker real quick. I'm about to put on the sticker finally. I cleaned it up. I still don't know what size I'm gonna do. I might do a size bigger than this. There's 9.5-inch envelopes, so I might do 9-inch. This is the 8-inch, and I have a 10-inch, but the 10-inch won't fit on the envelopes that I plan on using. Let me know what you guys think. I personally like them a lot. I like the font that I went with. So I'm gonna show you guys the current light setup. I'm gonna do one side only, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install it, and then we could compare and contrast. I think I might leave one set Auxbeam and the other set the cheap eBay lights that I got, and drive it in the night so you guys could kind of see the difference. Just so you guys could see that they are better than the old ones. So I'm gonna do the driver side as Auxbeam. First I gotta figure out what's high beam and what's low beam. I think 906 was high beam and 905 was low beam. I'm gonna look that up real quick, but I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. It's gonna be a quick, easy plug and play install, and you guys are gonna see the difference. Right now I'm gonna show you guys what I have currently. Let me just show you guys. The lights are on. Alright, so currently I have that, and for high beams I have that. I never changed them, so finally I'm going to get the chance to change them. But that is currently what I have, and like I said, I'm going to show you guys what they look like compared to the other ones. So real quick, I'm just going to open these up. That took me way too long. Oh, no, shut up. I'm recording. Lazy ass. So they send you a nice Auxbeam sticker. I think I'm going to do a whole, like, wall of literally just stickers that I get with whatever I order. So I'm going to definitely throw this on once I actually start doing that. First glance, they are high quality. I'm actually really excited to put these on. Even has their name on it. I'm going to put all of their information in. Oh, I patted it upside down. I'm going to put all of their information down in the description where you guys can get the discount. Go to their website and check out their other lighting. And follow them on Instagram. I'm going to link all of that in the description down below. And not only does it come with that, because obviously these do not connect if you guys do know. Or have changed your lights. They come with I don't necessarily know what this would be called. I believe it's kind of like a, I don't know if it's an adapter or if it's a power box, because I know my taillights have it, something similar to this. Don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, okay? You literally connect it here. It has like a O-ring on it, so obviously you know water gets into it, because that would suck, as you guys seen in my previous videos. And it screws on. I've never seen that. Does that seem like it is high quality? We're gonna put these on. I have it set up exactly how I want it, or ready to install. So all I have to do is move this out of the way and take my headlight off real quick. I'm just gonna simply put this in. You guys know this is gonna be a little bit of trouble. Oh, no, actually, I didn't stuff like that. And those are actually way better quality as like fitting wise. They went in really smooth. So if you guys know, I don't know necessarily if they're with these lights also, but LEDs are typically put in backwards. So we're about to see.
Holy shit!
Those are way brighter. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's pretty obvious on camera what is brighter. Come over. But as you guys can see, this is the left side. Oh, it doesn't pick it up. That's the light from here, as you guys can see. And this is this side. You cannot even see the shadow. These are way brighter. Oh, damn. I'm super hyped now to see what they look like in the night. I didn't even realize that these had a fan on the back. Like, legit, you could see the blades and everything. That's crazy. These lights are way brighter than I thought. I'm kind of excited to see. I'm actually really hyped to see what the high beams look like. You guys already saw I don't have my high beams done, so I'm really excited to put these on because I never had my high beams on. This is gonna be so dope. Alright, so those are my high beams, or those are my low beams. And those are my high beams. They're way brighter, huh? Oh shit, that looks hard. So you guys can clearly see difference. Not only does it look better, I personally think, but you guys are gonna be able to see further, which is safer for you guys. While we wait, I wanted to show you guys, I did put another sticker on my windshield. I kind of like how it looks. So let me know, do you guys like this? Do you guys like the look of this? Do you guys like how this look? This is the 10-inch one. I'm gonna try to do 9-inch, so it might be just up to there, a little bit smaller. But like I said, that's all that fits in a regular envelope. So I'm just gonna work with what I got. Eventually, I do want to drop some higher quality ones, with the picture of the truck or something along the lines of that. But you guys are just gonna have to wait and see for the transformation. Literally, the truck is gonna look nothing alike to what it looks like right now. Let me just throw that out there. You guys don't know what's coming. I'm gonna hype this up until I freaking do it. Alright, you guys don't know what's coming. I don't know how soon because it is kind of pricey, but it's gonna be worth it. And I got a lot of things to do before, because I want, as soon as what I'm gonna do happens to it, I want it to be done. I'm gonna do a full photo shoot, a full like reveal video. It's gonna be dope. Like I told you guys, I was gonna do a comparison. This is the Auxbeam side, so I'm gonna cover this side. As you guys can see how much clearer the whole street is. Like, you could see literally to the stop sign, which is probably like, I don't know, I'm really bad at guessing and measuring. Now I'm gonna cover the Auxbeam one, and it kind of only covers that side of the street, and this kind of covers the whole street, like literally like all the way over here it covers, and it covers all the way to that gate. And in person, honestly, you could see the difference more. You could see the difference more just on that tree. Look at that tree versus that. You could see the difference on the tree, definitely. That's yellow and gross and disgusting. Literally terrible. But now you have these nice, beautiful, bright LEDs. And literally, I could see all the way until the stop sign and a little bit further. And it even lights up the stop sign at the very end of the street, which is probably like a good half a mile, maybe. I don't know. Like I said, I'm really bad at measuring. You guys could definitely see the difference. I'm really excited to start driving around with these. These are going to be super bright. Like I said, I'm going to throw on the other side. You guys already saw how to do it. I'm going to do it really quick so I can drive around the block and show you guys how bright they really are. And honestly, I think, in my opinion, the camera doesn't do it justice. It is way brighter in person than it is on camera. Hopefully it'll pick it up. But let me just throw on the passenger side real quick. So as you guys can see, the visual, I don't know what word it is. I heard it the other day. I'm trying to be smart over here. Basically, I can see further. Like, I can see pretty well at like a good distance away. I would say like a good 100 feet I could see solid, probably more. Like I said, I'm really bad at guessing. And these are the high beams. The high beams are overkill. They are badass. This looks pretty dope. So as you guys can see, it's dark over there, but guess what? Someone's coming and blinding that person pulling out. Poor person. Oh no, I'm getting blinded. Watch, I want to blind this poor person, this poor civilian. Damn, these lights are super bright. This is probably the best street to show you guys how far you could see, like literally like a solid 200, 300 feet probably. From here all the way to the end of the street, and probably beyond that. I'll do it on this street too so you guys can see. So with the regular lights, you can see like a solid what would you say, like 200, 300 feet? I don't know, I'm really bad at this. But with the high beams, you could see like a mile away. Alright, well, that's all I got for this video, you guys. You guys saw that I got new lights. I hooked you guys up with 50% off. You guys saw that I fixed the bedside, or one of the homies fixed the bedside. I'm not going to take credit for that. Oh, you guys saw the decals. So let me know what you guys think about the decals. Let me know if you guys cop yourself a pair of headlights, high and low beams. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I see you guys. You guys are not subscribing. You guys are just watching the videos. So please subscribe if you guys are already here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.